I've just walked back from my neighbours and this sleepy little girl. I reckon she would be tired from all the flood. Caught her sleeping a few times and she's got a bit of a... She hurt herself, it's healing. And she's only young still. She needs her sleep. It's so nice to be so close to them. And then there's this skinny girl. They had a really good feed today. I thought I was going to be able to get their feed up. The feeds at the neighbours. I can't bring it up, so I'll get... my family's coming and we'll drive the cars as close as we can and carry the feed across from one car to another because the roads are still impassable. People can get across in buggies and whatnot. It's just really hard to keep asking people for help. So these H2, they become friends. She'll put on weight in no time flat. Quick to lose it, quick to put it back on. You know, now that it's heated up, and I'll just see, you can hear this electric fence ticking. I'm carrying the plastic bag, but I want to sprit them. My good girl. Halo's watching me. Look at that, she's so tired and sleepy. She's a good girl. She's fast asleep. You can see, she's got her chin on the ground, but she's out. She is asleep. I can tell. She's just wobbling her head, like her head's wobbling. I'm gonna just put this down, hop under the fence and see if I can get a better look. No, I shouldn't really disturb her, but I don't want her to... If she wakes up, yeah, because if she wakes up and I'm sneaking up on her, she might not trust me. Oh, look at that. And Halo's a good girl watching her and she's dozing too. The long eyelashes. So these are the two girls that we spy all the way across here. And I thought that they got stuck in the floods and they didn't at all. She's so tired. I won't go in there and bother her. She doesn't need to be bothered by the human. I know. The big footsteps on the gravel. I know. I know. What am I doing? Hey? What am I doing? Hey. Look at you two. Beautiful girls. Oh, you're swishing your tail at me. Go away, human. We're doing stuff. Hey? I know. Yeah, she's telling her to move. I'll let them get back to be and enjoying their rest and leave them alone. Bye, girls. I think Penny just looks terrible again. Just, it'll take me probably 2 to 3 weeks to get her back. She'll take a bit longer to put the weight on than Cleo will. Poor thing. It's going to take a while. I've got 1 day of help tomorrow and then they'll come up for a few days later on in the week. So I'll just make do with what we can do and hopefully we'll have access during the week and I can get a whole bunch of food. That'll be good.